Yo, what's going on, guys? Here I am unboxing the Nike Sacai Iron Gray low top Blazers. As you can see, very nice packaging, Nike Sacai branding throughout the little paper going on here. Excuse me for my small ass hands. Here I am opening them up. Oof. Yeah, you see, very nice quality. A lot of details. Exposed foam. I like that a lot. Double laces. Those are hard to tricky. Pretty tricky to fucking tie your shoes with. To be honest, I've had the waffles and they were pretty hard. And I'm pretty hard. Sorry, excuse me. But here I am, both shoes out right here. I think I'm looking for the rope laces because I think the rope laces look really, really clean with these. I seen somebody have them on. Switch them out. It looks a little bit better. There you go. There's the rope laces included with these. These are pretty good. I like the quality. The craftsmanship is pretty spot on. Um, I like the double swoosh aspect of it. It has also a nubuck feel. It's not suede. It doesn't switch colors or anything. Also nice Sacai branding in the insole. It's a white insole as well. Very thick foam as well. It gives you a lot of padding. Um, but in terms of like putting on the shoe, because I tried on the outfit photos, I did try them on. It's very hard to put on these shoes, but in terms of the quality, it's very good. I give it like a 9 out of 10 in quality. No glue marks or anything that went on the pairs I received. And there you go. There's the little unboxing, and I'm gonna show you and tell you about how I got these shoes, outfit ideas, and all that stuff. And stay tuned. Yo, what's up, guys? So I just saw my rundown of the little unboxing there. Very shitty, by the way, but we're working on it. We're working on it. It's the first video, so here I am to talk about how I got these, what I would wear with these, and am I gonna keep them or not? Because that's a very important question. All right, if you're gonna keep or sweep these motherfuckers. So, looking at them in hand, they look pretty clean. They're not gonna lie, they look pretty fucking clean. But it's a redundant shoe for me. I just have too many shoes that I don't wear with the same color palette a little bit. I don't have like an all gray shoe, except for like some New Balances, but this is a darker gray. And also I don't have Blazers. I know, I'm a pretty shitty guy. My collection's ass, but I don't own any Blazers, and these are kind of like, a little bit of twang to it. Some Blazers with a little bit of twang to it. It is a redundant shoe for me. I do have the first version of this Sacai waffles in the black and white colorway. Mwah! Muy bien. Oh my god, I love those shoes. People think they're samurai shoes. I think they're samurai shoes, but I look fucking cool, man. Yeah, so the quality is pretty good on these. It's like a nubuck, not really suede. It doesn't really change colors too much on that. Exposed foam. Sorry, I got braces on. It sound like a goddamn. I sound disgusting, but double tongue action. Pretty Sacai-esque. I mean, obviously Sacai-esque. It's a Sacai shoe. Thick back, rubber heel. Oh my god! Imagine getting curb stomped by this guy. You would just fear for your life. You would never try to wake up again. But Jesus Christ, look at this. This is thick as hell. Like I was saying, I do like them a little bit. When I saw these rope laces, I saw somebody wore these with the rope laces. It kind of subdued it a little bit. I like that look. I'm a very subdued guy. My clothes aren't too flashy, a little more adult, but a little bit of streetwear to it. I like to switch it up sometimes. Most of the time, I'm just wearing shorts and a baggy t-shirt like every other dude. But back to what I was saying, these are gonna be. I'm gonna return these. I'm sorry. I'm feeling these, but in terms of if I'm gonna wear these or not, probably like once or twice out of the year. I just have too many shoes that I don't even wear. I have shoes on here that like I haven't even worn yet, and it's been like half a year because I don't know. Sometimes you never even know. Like I know it's bad. You should wear your shoes and all. The shoes are meant to be worn, but sometimes you look at it and you paid so much for them, and you're like, damn. Do I really want to wear those things? Because look at it. That's a lot of money on there. You spent your hard-earned money on it. I'm in fucking debt. I'm returning these because I'm in debt. I maxed out my goddamn credit card on stupid shit. Like, why do I need to buy a Big Mac meal? I could just buy a McDouble with a
McChicken, and that would have been the same thing, $2 cheaper. Okay, but these these are all right. These are all right. I'm wabbing around everywhere. Let me grab the other one right real quick. Maybe I gotta try on feet, changing up with the laces, see how I feel. But I really do need the money right now. I got these on sneakers though. I got a W on sneakers. I know it's pretty rare. I know these weren't too sought after though. I think these are the cleanest colorway too, by the way. The cleanest low top Sacai Blazer colorway. Yeah, that took a lot out of me to say, because that's a long fucking sentence. But I think this is the cleanest one. In terms of like, do I like it or not? Probably like a 6 out of 10. In terms of like overall shoe, but I do think it's the cleanest Sacai Blazer look to come out recently. I don't like the brown one, the yellow one, or the green one. Those, I think those are toss up in the air for like second. But well, yeah, I'm gonna return these. Sorry, I'm gonna not keep these. I do think they're clean. I'm gonna probably, if I don't get lazy or not, show a little bit of outfit ideas with these. Um, I'm a small man, so I'm gonna try to camera angle a little bit for my short dudes out there to make me look a little bit more gigantic. But there you go. Review of the Nike Sacai Blazer Iron Gray. Oh, also funny story about these. I thought these were black. When they showed them on the pictures on sneakers, they look black. Even like my friend texted me when he got them because we both wanted all these. He was like, "Dude, I thought these were black, but they're gray." And I was like, "Dude, they're called iron gray. I don't know what you were expecting." And they look pretty goddamn gray in person too. So it's a little funny story. And yeah, gonna return these, but show you a little bit of outfit ideas on these. All right, maybe. Let's see how I feel.
Here goes outfit number one right here. I'm rocking the Kanye West vintage tee with these unique ankle pants. I like the way they drape over the shoe. It covers the tongue because we don't do tongue fucking out here, and I think this is a pretty clean look, to be honest. It goes great with the shoes. And here goes outfit number two right here. I like those Uniqlo pants so much that I went ahead and grabbed the darker brown pair and I paired it with the white t-shirt tucked in it. I thought it was a very clean look, clean adult look that looks very good with these Sacai's because, there's a lot going on with these shoes. But with these, it kind of, complements the shoes very well with all of its like intricacies of the shoe. And here goes the final outfit. I'm wearing some olive cargos with this Call Me Get Lost tee by Tyler the Creator. I cropped these pants. They look pretty nice, draping over the shoe a little bit. It shows off the shoe very well. And this is the last and final outfit. I thought this is the worst outfit, but still clean nonetheless. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. These are a little bit of a rundown of the Sacai Blazers Iron Gray. And hope you guys have a nice day. All right. Peace.